Hey there! Is your Roku device stuck in recovery mode? If you're encountering this issue, it can be quite frustrating. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you on how to fix Roku recovery mode and get your streaming back on track. Roku devices are well loved for their user-friendly interface and diverse range of streaming options. But like any technology, they're not immune to the occasional glitch. Let's dive into the steps you can take to resolve this issue and enjoy your favorite shows without interruption. Step 1. Soft reset your Roku. The first step in addressing recovery mode is performing a soft reset. This process is simple and effective in resolving minor glitches. Locate the reset button. Most Roku devices have a reset button at the back or bottom. If yours is an older model, it might be a pinhole button that requires a paperclip. Perform the reset. With the device powered on, press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. Release the button when the Roku logo appears on your screen. This will restart your device without affecting your settings or data. Check for recovery mode. Once your Roku restarts, see if it exits recovery mode. If it doesn't, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Power cycle your device. If the soft reset didn't work, power cycling your Roku might be the next best step. Unplug your Roku. Remove your Roku device from its power source. Be sure to also disconnect it from your TV and any other peripheral. Wait it out. Leave the device unplugged for at least 5 minutes. This allows any residual power to dissipate, clearing minor memory issues. Reconnect. Plug your Roku back into the power source and TV. Turn the device on and check if it's still in recovery. Step 3. System update. Sometimes being stuck in recovery mode can result in outdated software. Ensure your Roku is running the latest. Access settings. Navigate to the home screen, select settings, then system, and finally system update. Check for updates. Click check now to see if any updates are available. If there is an update, let it download and install. Restart your device. After the update, restart your Roku. This should help fix any lingering recovery mode issues. Step 4. Perform a factory reset. If the previous steps haven't resolved the issue, performing a factory reset may be necessary. Keep in mind that this will erase all your settings and data, returning the device to its original state. Locate the reset button. As mentioned before, you'll find this on the device. Perform the factory reset. Press and hold the reset button for at least 20 seconds until the Roku logo reappears, indicating a complete reset. Reconfigure your device. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Roku like a new device. This process includes logging into your accounts and reconnecting to Wi-Fi. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to fix Roku recovery mode. Whether it's a simple restart or a more involved factory reset, these steps should help you navigate out of recovery mode and back to streaming in no time. Always remember to keep your device updated and handle it with care to minimize potential issues. Now go ahead and enjoy your favorite content without further interruption. Happy streaming.